Can you sleep with baking soda on mattress? If you're wondering whether it's safe to sleep with baking soda on your mattress, you're not alone. Many people have turned to baking soda as a natural and effective way to clean and freshen their mattresses. But is it okay to leave it on while you sleep? Let's start with the basics. Baking soda is a great natural deodorizer and moisture absorber, making it perfect for cleaning mattresses. It's non-toxic, inexpensive, and gentle on fabric, which is why it's often recommended for this purpose. When you use baking soda to clean your mattress, the process typically involves sprinkling a generous amount of baking soda over the entire surface of the mattress. You then let it sit for several hours or even overnight to allow it to absorb odors and moisture thoroughly. However, the key here is the duration and the purpose of leaving the baking soda on the mattress. It's recommended to let the baking soda sit for at least a few hours to overnight, but this is with the intention of vacuuming it off afterward. The baking soda needs to be thoroughly vacuumed off the mattress before you put your bedding back on and go to sleep. Sleeping with baking soda still on your mattress is not advisable. Here's why. Baking soda can be quite abrasive, and while it's gentle enough not to damage the mattress fabric, it's not comfortable to sleep on. Additionally, if you don't vacuum it off properly, the baking soda can leave a residue that might irritate your skin or cause discomfort during sleep. So to sum it up, while baking soda is an excellent tool for cleaning your mattress, it's important to vacuum it off completely before you sleep. This ensures your mattress is clean, fresh, and comfortable for a good night's sleep. To make the process smooth, always remove your bedding, vacuum the mattress thoroughly, apply the baking soda, let it sit for the recommended time, and then vacuum it off again. If possible, let your mattress air out in sunlight to dry completely before putting your bedding back on. By following these steps, you can enjoy a clean, odor-free mattress without any discomfort or hassle.